parents and caregivers. I am so glad you are here with me on another episode of our podcast series. Today, we are talking about something that I know is on every parent's mind: fostering independence and responsibility in our children. As both a child psychologist and a parent coach, I have seen how essential these traits are for our kids' growth and future success. So, let's start with independence. Encouraging independence in our children means giving them the confidence and skill to do things on their own. Think of it like kids take first step. They know that you will catch them if they fall, but you tell them to explore and grow. Can you picture your little one confidently picking out their clothes for the day and packing their school bags with full of excitement? These small acts build self-esteem and sense of capability. Now, why is fostering independence so important? Well, it helps our children to feel capable and proud of themselves. Why? When they accomplish tasks on their own, they feel a sense of achievement. This builds their self-confidence and motivates them to take even more challenges. So, how can we encourage independence in our kids? Start with simple everyday tasks. Let them dress up themselves, pack their school bags on their own, or choose their snacks. These small responsibilities teach them the value of life skill and help them to feel more in control. Next, let's talk about responsibility. Teaching responsibility means helping kids to understand the consequences of their actions and the importance of fulfilling their duties. It's about showing them that their action matters. For more tips and insightful on fostering independence and responsibility, stay tuned for our upcoming episodes. If you find our podcast helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Your support helps us to reach more parents and caregivers with valuable information. And if you ever have questions or need more advice, please feel free to reach out through our website where you can learn more about our parenting courses. We are here to support you on this incredible journey. Thank you for joining me today. Stay tuned for more episodes filled with practical advices, heartwarming stories, and expert strategies. Let's continue making a positive difference in our children's lives together. My hi to all. I am Shreya Batra, founder of Wisdom Worth Preschool and Daycare. At Wisdom Worth, we are passionate about providing holistical educational experience for young children, blending the Montessori method with traditional values. Beyond our preschool, I am a child psychologist dedicated to helping parents understanding their child emotional well-being and development. Join us in our mission to empower parents and nurture young minds as we explore essential topics in early education and parenting. कुछ बातों का मतलब, कुछ मतलब की बातें। क्या मतलब?